What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the MSI Cyborg Gaming 15AI A1VEK, a futuristic looking gaming laptop that promises solid performance, RE-powered efficiency, and serious cyberpunk vibes all in a lightweight design. So the big question is this the gaming laptop you should buy in 2026? Let's find out. The MSI Cyborg 15AI features a futuristic, mechanized design inspired by sci-fi and cyberpunk aesthetics. The semi-transparent elements and sharp lines make it stand out from typical boring gaming laptops. The MSI Cyborg 15AI is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, featuring 16 cores, a boost clock up to 4.8 GHz, and Intel's first integrated NPU, AI Boost. This AI engine helps with power-efficient performance, multitasking, and future AI-based applications, making this laptop more future-proof than older generations. Paired with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD, everyday tasks feel instant from gaming and streaming to editing and heavy multitasking. For graphics, we get the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 with 6GB GDDR6 RAM. We have a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS level display with a 144Hz refresh rate. This means smooth gameplay, less motion blur, better response time for competitive games. Connectivity and ports: USB-C with DisplayPort, 2 ex-USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1 supporting 4K at 60 Hz, Gigabit Ethernet, Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Battery-wise, the 53.5 Wh battery is decent for daily tasks. Gaming is best done while plugged in using the 120W adapter. For Zone RGB Gaming Keyboard. The laptop comes with dual 2W speakers,